Okay, teacher is started.
Okay, rules for staying healthy and safe. So take out page number 23. We gonna read it. I'm gonna read it for you. Rules. You know that you should have a bath or shower every day. Have a bath or shower every day. Comb your hair and brush your teeth. Wash your hands before and after eating food. Wash your hands after you have been to the toilet. Cut your nails and keep them clean. Keep your nose and ear clean. Follow these rules and keep healthy. Okay, rules for staying healthy and safe. As in this given slide you can see that this person is taking bath and that is combing hair, set her hair, and she is using brush and toothbrush. So let me show you some rules of getting strong and fit and healthy. So rule number one, that as you know that summer season is going on, so we have to take bath every day or and take shower or bath, take bath or shower every day. Then rule number two, comb or brush your hair. Nowadays summer season is going on, and so most of the time you are not tie your hair nicely and comb your hair nicely. So everybody, you should early in the morning when you get ready for your online classes, you should set your hair and comb your hair. Then rule number three, brush your teeth, because teeth are very precious and we have to take very good care of our teeth. In this way, we are making ourselves healthy. So every time you should brush your teeth in the morning, and before going to bed you should brush your teeth twice a day every day. Then wash your hands. Nowadays, as you know, that because of coronavirus, we have to wash our hands after every half an hour for 20 seconds. We should wash our hands, and in this way, we fight with germs, and we get rid of germs. You can see that this boy is washing hands, and everybody, you should wash your hands. And when to wash your hands? Before eating, and after messy play. When you play something and which make your hands messy, you should wash your hands afterwards. And after playing outside, after using the toilet, and after touching animals, you should wash your hands. And here, washing hands before and after meal. This girl is washing hands before meal, and they are washing their hands, and they are saying to you that we should wash our hands before and after taking our meal. Wash your hands after you have been to the toilet. After using toilet, you must wash your hands. It's very good for hygiene. Okay, rule number 5, cut your nails. You should cut your nails regularly. Otherwise, when your nails are getting long, then so much germs go inside, and you are eating with the same hands, and you are taking all that germs inside. So you should cut your nails on a regular basis, and keep your nose clean. Rule number 6, keep your nose clean. To keep your nose clean is to stay out of trouble. Nowadays, as you know, because of this pandemic, we should keep our nose, our hands, and each and everything should be clean. Then keep your ears clean. Cut your hair. nicely. After a month, all the boys, you should need a proper haircut, and girls, you can also take proper haircut. And rule number 9, eat healthy food. Healthy food is fruits, vegetables, they are very good for our health. Healthy eating is a tasty eating. Nowadays, I know that you people are not like fruits and vegetables you don't like. But vegetables are very, very healthy for our health, and they are very good for our health. And when we take vegetables, it improve our immune system. So you should take every each and every vegetables, because they keep us strong and healthy. So healthy eating is a tasty eating. And having exercise, you should take little bit exercise, because exercise make us fit, healthy, strong, and it tone our body. So you should, everybody, you should do some exercises, some healthy activities, not all the time sitting and watching TV and using mobile. These things makes you dull. All work and no play makes a jack dull boy. So we should need some exercises. Now, some common problems. Now everyone look at on your book again and read common problems. Talk talk about these picture with your teacher. Lice, nits, itching, dandruff, germs, eating, stomachache, sweet tooth decay, pain. So I'm gonna tell you that which common problem you people are facing. Lice, nits, itching, and dandruff. As you know, when your hair are dirty, and then when you are not properly wash your hair, then some dirt particle inside of your hair, and they create so much itching and itching and dandruff. They are causing itching, dandruff, lice, and nits. So everybody, you should wash your hair with some nice shampoo. Properly wash your hair. Then germs, eating, stomachache. When most of the time you are taking burger, shawarma, pizzas, they are causing your stomachache. And when you are eating with the dirty hands and eat food which are not healthy for your belly or your stomach, then it gives you stomachache. So you should, everybody, you should wash your hands before taking your meal and eat healthy food, not burger, pizza, shawarma every time. And in this picture, in this given slide, you can see that this girl and this boy is having a toothache, or they are suffering with the tooth pain, or they are suffering with pain because they eat junk food and chocolates, lollipops, ice creams. These things really attract us. But on if we take all these things on a regular basis, they create and they give us trouble. And it contains if we taking these type of food on a regular basis, then our teeth might be affected. So every time when you take some sweet thing, you must brush your teeth. And before going to bed, you must brush your teeth before going to bed. Because when you eat something sweet and whole day and whole night you sleep with the same, after eating sweet things and you sleep and whole night you stay with that, and it and then you are suffering with the cavities. So you must brush your teeth before going to bed. Now, turn page number 24. Dirt and pollution are harmful for our health. They are caused by rubbish and dirt, smoke and fume. Okay, students. As you know that dirt and pollution having very harmful effects on our health. Rubbish, when you throw rubbish, litter here and there, they are causing very harmful effects on our health. Smoke and fumes. Look at here. When you are using a vehicle which are uh, injecting smoke and fume in the air into the air, they are causing very harmful effects on our health. So you should throw rubbish into a bin and take care of our earth. Look at this. This boy is throwing garbage and making our world dirty, and that girl is also throwing tissue here and there. We should be very careful while throwing garbage. We should throw garbage on a proper place. Smoke and fume. This look at this. These vehicles are causing smoke and fumes air, into the air. Now, read read it with me. Do you know how these can harm you? Flies like dirty places. They pick up germs and they leave germs on food. Look at this. These are this is fly, and flies pick it up the germs, and they leave it on your food and make your food dirty. Mosquitoes lay like to lay their eggs in a dirty water. A mosquito bite can make you very ill. As you know about, you heard dengue virus and all that things, they are caused by mosquitoes. So you must make your surrounding clean to get rid of flies and mosquitoes. And let me enhance your knowledge. And flies don't have teeth. Instead, they have a long tongue, like a straw, through which they suck up food. Keep flies off your food. अब अब माय डियर स्टूडेंट्स, इनके जो फ्लाइज हैं इनके दांत नहीं होते हैं. दे आर ओनली हैविंग द टंग. इनकी टंग होती है, और अपनी ये टंग के जरिए से तमाम चीज़ों को सक करते हैं, और फिर ये तमाम जरासीम, all these germs, they live on our food and make our food poisonous. So we should make our surrounding clean, and these flies and mosquitoes are really very harmful. In this slide you can see that flies are on cakes, and this mosquito, he is injecting poison and in the body, and he is running after that boy. Now, staying healthy. How you can stay healthy? To stay healthy, you have to keep yourself clean. You must also keep your surrounding clean. You must not throw rubbish on road. You should not litter your school ground. You can also keep healthy by eating healthy food, drinking boiled water, having lots of exercise, and having enough good sleep every night. Okay, these are the things which make you healthy. Staying healthy, keep yourself clean. Look at this. This boy is brush your teeth, have a bath, wear clean clothes, and uh, uh, and set your hair. Keep your surrounding clean. Look at these children, they are making their surrounding clean. You can also make your surrounding clean by helping your parents in small chores. and nowadays you are at home, so you must help your parents. In this way you can make your surrounding clean by helping your parents. And you must not throw rubbish on the road. Look at this, they are throwing into the, this boy is throwing outside and that girl is throwing inside. She's doing good, and they are picking up all the litter and rubbish. You should not litter on the ground. Please do not litter. Look at this, they are throwing rubbish and litter into the bin. And eat healthy food and drink boiled water. When you are taking boiled water, drinking boiled water, all the germs, while when you boil these boiled water, then all the germs goes outside. And eat healthy food. Healthy food is fruits, vegetables, nuts, and egg. These things are healthy for our health, not burger and shawarma and pizzas. They are not good and healthy for our health. For a change, you can take for uh, seldomly, very rarely you can take pizza, burger, shawarma, but not on a regular basis. And then having a lots of exercise, you should do some healthy activity to keep yourself healthy, and get enough sleep. Sleep good, feel good. When you sleep early, when you early to bed, early to rise, makes a man healthy, wealthy, and wise. It's very famous saying. And when you go to bed early, then it's very easy for you to wake up early. Nowadays, your online classes are going on, so everybody, you should go for sleep early, then you will wake up early. Now, question answers. What do you do to keep your school clean? आप अपने स्कूल को नीट क्लीन रखने के लिए क्या करते हैं? We do not throw litter here and there. We do not litter here and there. We do not throw litter here and there. Question number 1. Then question number 2. Why why is it important to keep ourselves clean? हमें अपने आप को साफ सुथरा क्यों रखना चाहिए? वी मस्ट कीप आवर सेल्फ क्लीन टू स्टे हेल्दी. हमें हेल्दी रहने के लिए वी मस्ट कीप आवर सेल्फ क्लीन टू स्टे हेल्दी. ओके, क्वेश्चन नंबर 3. हाउ कैन वी कीप आवर होम्स क्लीन? हम अपने घरों को किस तरह से साफ सुथरा रख सकते हैं? टू कीप आवर होम क्लीन, वी we can throw rubbish into the bin. We can keep or put everything in a proper place. This is your homework. Question number 1, question number 1, question number 2, and question number 3. This is your homework. Now I'm stop sharing my screen, and I will give you a chance to ask you a question, which are, if anything is not clear, if any query, if any question, if any ambiguity, you can ask me. Now I'm having 5